if you want to make a circuit with a buzzer and 2 lights, this is how you do it. Draw out your circuit diagram. Here's a battery with a switch and then the buzzer in the circuit. A very simple circuit. The switch turns the buzzer off and on. To add lights, you piggyback it over the buzzer. One light piggybacking the other. So each of your 3 components has its own pathway from the battery and receives the full voltage. This is the best way to put 3 components together in a circuit. So now to build it, start with your battery pack, add the switch, and then add the buzzer. Make sure that red goes to red because the buzzer is polar sensitive. It needs to be hooked up to the positive side of the battery in order for it to work. And then before you add any more, make sure it works. Also make sure your joins are really good, that the metal is completely twisted to the metal of each wire so it's not going to fall apart later and become a problem later on. So twist them really well. Okay, now we can add the lights. So the lights I already joined together. And I'm making a circuit where the lights, a toy where the lights can be really close together. If in your toy you need the lights to be further apart from each other, then extend the wires and make them longer. But they basically fasten like this. And then the wires that are going to join to the rest of the circuit join to these 2 junctions. Now these wires fasten to over the back of the buzzer. So they're going to fasten here and here. Let me lay that out so you can see it better. Find the buzzer. Find the place where the buzzer attaches itself to the rest of the circuit, here and here. And these are the places that the lights are going to fasten. So twist them on really well. And then to the other side, here and here. So now when you turn on the switch, the buzzer buzzes and both lights go on. So this circuit here is this circuit. Fix my line here. There we go. It doesn't look exactly the same, but if you trace out where all the wires are, you'll see that the connections are all in the same place. So this circuit is this circuit. Remember, build one thing at a time. So I started with the buzzer, I made sure it worked, and then I added the lights. After you've finished and everything is working well, then you can put a little electrical tape over the back of the switch and on each of the joins to protect them from short circuits and to help hold them together a little bit.